Ay, sabi. Hey! Where are you going, babe? Wait na lang may samo ang chicken, guys, no? Singapore. In fairness, sa ilahang pa-carpet dire bay. Bongga. Nabuta kita dire sa Singapore, guys. So, tip lang, dapat mag-fill out na mo in advance sa inyong SG arrival. Automatic, tuloy-tuloy na din mo, guys. Kaya if tatanga-tanga mo, guys, na ma-hold good mo. So, dapat yun, conscious mo. Assertive. Yeah! So, time check, guys. It's 1 o'clock in the morning and napamidra sa airport. So, yeah. Ari lang sa amin matug, guys. And then, sleepy na kayo ba? So, we decided nga ari lang sa amin matug. And then, sa morning, nakabook naman may nga maligo mo dito something. Nakalimot ko sa name ito kasi Jay ang nagbook. But yeah, 6 a.m. maligo mi do already and then after that mo ato mi sa mo ang hotel and then nabilin lang na mo ang gamit. And then maglaag-laag na din mi, guys. And we're waiting for the bus to come, guys. Look how pretty. The morning of SG. Ano ba yun? Terminal 2 na. Each terminal nakakawaw. Like super. So padong namin sa Habansburg para maligo, guys. Finally. Buti na lang na atay planner dire. Steph and Jay. So kaning nga lakaw. Princess lang ang pet. Excited na kami maligo, guys. Para masugdan na mo ang mga lakwatsera. Thanks to you, babe. You're the best. Wala, I'm watching one. Naman ko peripheral vision. GL! Good morning! Thanks to my baby love. Like as in, grabe ka smooth ang moang travel because of his, you know, plans. Siya na tanan naghimo sa itinerary, everything and all. Like, as in, I'm super grateful to have him good. And then feeling princess lang inyong ante. So that's my outfit, by the way. Oh, diri may mga ligo karon. So what's that? Okay. Boys ang naunaw ligo. And then ako ang watcher first. Na, ako bantay sa mga things. And it's so relaxing diri. Like I love Singapore na gyud. And naara say free wifi here, so pwede ra ta maka chill while waiting nila mahuman sila gligo. At the same time, naara say coffee, guys. If you want to get some snacks or drink coffee early in the morning, you can do it. If you want to do like what we did, nga diri mi maligo sa Habansburg, you can use my promo code, guys. That's Lane23Club. So you can avail 5% discount and 3% on activities. So may na lang, diba? If you want like same itinerary with us, you can use it. Decided nga maligo yun first here. Wala namin nagpaabot sa mo ang hotel since 2 p.m. pa man ang check-in time. So mas maayo na nga makonsume yun na mo ang day 1, may laagan, full pack mo ang itinerary, and we're super duper excited. I'll take you guys with me para sa namoy idea and yeah, idea in advance if you want to visit Singapore someday. Yes, done with ligo. Fresh na, guys. Maligo na mi. Fresh na?
Fresh.
Smelling fresh. Almost half pa lang sa mo ang day 1 here sa Singapore, but I would say I love Singapore so much. Like super pretty. Wow. First time. It's the first time to ride a SkyTrain T1. Wow. Grabe, maka-overwhelm sa Singapore. Like, promise. Pag-ibog mo kung asa mo adto.
No coffee?
Oh, no. Mino? Guys, legit guys. Lami ka. Oh, yo. So, nag-wait me sa mo ang Grab.
Okay.
Go. Let's get in.
Hello, Singapore.
Thank you so much.
Is it your first time?
Yes. How about you? Okay, ra kanila.
Amazing.
We're finally going to our hotel, guys. We're riding a Grab car right now.
Microphone.
Wala pa.
I think the last.
Grabe sila nature diri. Yung sila gyud ang Garden City. Garden City. Look at that, guys. So after na mo sa hotel, guys, i-drop na naman mo ang things. And then we're going to Chinatown. Chinatown. After Chinatown, Marina Bay. Merlion. And then Gardens by the Bay at night.
Okay, enjoy yourself.
Thank you so much. So, adto ta sa
Whampoa.
Whampoa. It's time to eat. Guys, kanang sa YouTube, bitaw sa TikTok na namo ni makita, but naa na may diri karon, like, wow. Diri karon sa Whampoa, and we're lining here. Daghan kaayo og kapilian yung food. Fishbowl, meatball ka na oh. Murag nga na sabaw-sabaw.
Sate.
May pa.
Ilawan na natin na sa pao. Ilang ilawan.
Okay. Masay.
Kumahalin mo.
Kami galon.
No mo. Kuya, ikaw gulay oh. Pakas lang sa iyo.
Na medyo ng pagka-amdre ka. Hainanese chicken ako pinaka-fave. Alis na nagsuka nila. And then garlic sauce, the best. Right. Muna mo ang hotel room. Sa wakas, dito na kami. Nalasad may aircon, split time, mirror. That's me. Kapoy naglakaw. Wato na ta sa Merlion. Samiri. Magayalo. Tawag ay ito. Construction center. So we're going to Merlion, and then it's our first time riding a bus here in SG, and we're super excited.
Uy!
Wow! Just wow! Wow, Singapore. You're so pretty. Hi, Marina Bay Sands. Sis, pangarap naman kita. Oy, ano naman ta diri sa Singapore. Oy, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, we're here at Singapore. Just a dream.
Skip.
Kaayog turista diri sa Singapore, guys. So, init sad, so make sure nga magdamo og payong para naamoy masilungan. Ang daga kag turista manganganga dira magpa-picture. So, manamig picture, videos. Wadto na mi sa
Asa man ta?
Chinatown. Mag food trip na sad mi, guys. Sulit among pictorial, video, sayo-sayaw, everything. Grabe yung kasulit. Lang po here nila, guys. Naa sila sa 7-Eleven. Nagpalit sila drinks. But stay hydrated mo diri kasi grabe kainit at the same time. Mahal kaya ang tubig diri, no? So if ever na may makita nga refilling station, pa-refill mo, and if na ay 7-Eleven, go buy good mo water. Okay? Grabe kainit. But worth it, radyo kaayo. So day 1 pa lang namo sa Singapore, but it's super worth it. Amazing. Tanan, grabe kanindot. Like, mesmerizing juga ang Singapore. It's super pretty. And I love Singapore. We'll definitely going back yun diri puhon. Sana kaloyan with family na puhon. Yeah! With my family. Guys, galakaw-lakaw rami sa seat, but each side of the city, grabe, picture perfect kay guys. Haggard na kayo, sige lakaw, but it's okay, worth it kayo ang view good, as in. We're at Hawker Center, the super famous food spot, Singapore, and yeah, there's a lot of people here. Grabe among lakaw, like naka-reach na may og, I think almost 20,000 steps. Kani nga mga pagkaon nga Hainanese chicken, satay, and laksa, and a lot more. Go. Kami? Go ahead. Kami eh? Sure ba? Hindi, dari. Kami? Wow. Kami? Kasi lami? Piniha or karon?
Karon.
Karon? Sure?
Yata gini. Lame.
Nyawa o kayo, Loy. Kita mo yan para... Nice. Finally, guys. Pila ka minuto nga paglakaw, naabot na ito diri sa Chinatown. Mo diri ang Chinatown diri, guys. This is the Chinatown. Singapore. We're going home. Day 1 success. Sulit.
Naapas.
Buti na lang.
Naapas ang IT, naapas.
The best. Ang galing-galing. Buti na lang na si Jay.